Welcome everybody to today's video. We have an amazing home tour to show you here. This is by Taylor Morrison in Elk Grove. This specific model home called the Nora is by Taylor Morrison and it's listed at about $795,000. This single story amazing house is approximately 2,500 square feet, up to 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms. This has a lot of different variations to this specific model home. You can make it 3 to 4 bedrooms and also 3 to 4 bathrooms, basically making every single room in this house in a primary suite with an attached bathroom. There's a lot to uncover here in this specific floor plan, and we're going to show you exactly that once we get inside the house. Again, this specific model home and floor plan is called Nora by Taylor Morrison. It's located in the beautiful city of Elk Grove in one of the newest area that's getting developed by many different builders. And this specific area comes with basically everything brand new: schools, parks, road infrastructure, all of the other utilities. This is a 3-car garage model home, and on the outside of it, it looks pretty spacious and wide, with the little alleyway into the main door and main entry into the house. As soon as you get into the house, one of the first things you'll notice is how much natural light it has. Tons of sunlight coming through from the different windows that they have throughout the house, in the bedrooms and in the kitchen area and in the living room, and all the additional windows that are looking into the backyard from the living spaces. Before we get into all the bedrooms and also the backyard, the first thing that I want to show you is how wide this hallway is leading into the open family room. There's additional bedrooms and also a family room that is on the side, but let's get straight into the family room and the kitchen area. Traditionally, that's one of the feedback that we received from our clients, that the most important section of a house to them perhaps is the family room and the kitchen area, because as a family you spend most of your time in this open space. So having tons of natural light flow in through the windows in these two specific sections of the house is very important to potential home buyers. Here is a view into the walk-in pantry that this specific model home has. Taylor Morrison, as a builder, put in a lot of effort and upgrades into their kitchen area. As you can see in the video here, you have the oven, the microwave built into the wall. You have your stainless steel appliances, the refrigerator. You have amazing backsplash in the kitchen that really stands out as you're looking at the overall bundle and overall feature setting of the kitchen. White cabinetry, door handles, gas top, and the island sink in the middle, overlooking the family room. Imagine yourself doing the work in the kitchen right here and just be able to overlook the whole family room where perhaps your family is enjoying their time together. The price tag that I talked about in the beginning of the video, the $795,000, that includes a lot of the builder provided upgrades that you see in the kitchen here, and also upgrades that you'll see in the bathrooms and the covered patio in the backyard. The $795 price tag includes almost all of these upgrades. Usually when you're buying a brand new home and you're working with the builder, they will throw a lot of options, a lot of upgrades at you. And it's always advisable to work with a local realtor who have worked with many builders in the past, such as myself, to be able to guide you through those decision making in terms of things you may or may not get much value in if you invest that into those upgrades upfront at the time of purchasing the property. Just showing you the other sections of this open family room concept. You just saw the separate dining area that's there next to the kitchen with the round dining table in it. Pretty wide open space, tons of natural light coming into this open space. Like I said earlier, just being able to enjoy your family time in this space is pretty precious. We have a couple of other clients who have reserved Nora floor plan in the recent few weeks, and their feedback immediately is always this open space, open floor concept. Just talking a little bit about the pricing again, the model home pricing begins around 750,000, and as you add upgrades, it continues to go up. The 795,000 price tag that I talked about again includes a lot of the builder upgrades. So you will get that standard in that price point, but there is option to go for a lower price point with lesser of the upgrades that you see in this video. Again, just want to point out that wide hallway that I referenced earlier. Typically you would have about 3 to 4 feet of space. This is a lot larger than that. And on the side of the house here that we are walking into now is the master suite. Very spacious bedroom, very spacious bathroom. That's one of the feedback that we also received from our clients that are coming in perhaps from the Bay Area or other parts of California, that the master suites tend to be a lot larger and wide compared to what they have seen in homes that are in the metro cities. Again, double sink bathroom here, also a walk-in closet, a standing shower. Like I said, Taylor Morrison puts in a lot of effort in their model homes and also in the homes that they have for sale. So you will get a lot of these upgrades standard as part of the price tag that you'll pay at the time of purchase. As we come out of the primary suite, the master bedroom and the bathroom, we are now going to show you the other parts of the house here. Like I said, this specific floor plan can be converted to 3 to 4 bedrooms with the option of also having 3 to 4 bathrooms, making it a full 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom house if you desire to do so. Again, coming out of the primary suite, now going to one other section of the house, which is additional cabinetry on your left, and also the door on the left that you're seeing right now in the video leads you into the 2-car garage. What we are about to see now is that we're going to see a second bedroom that is also perhaps acting as a primary suite because it also has an attached bathroom. One of the other things that client always ask for is additional cabinetry in the house, just like the one that you see next to the garage door. That is also a great feature to have, an additional benefit to have. And again, coming into this second bathroom that you're seeing now, it's a full bath, single sink, and there is a door right in front of it that gives you access to the bathroom and also to the bedroom that's located here, again making it a second primary suite. This sort of setup is really beneficial if you have a multi-gen family, or you have family that visits often, or also if you have parents at home that are there for you and with you for an extended period of time. Having their own bedroom and bathroom really adds into their privacy and also the privacy of you as a homeowner, because you will likely be in the primary suite, which is in a different section of the house. And when you have access to this bedroom, and here again, walk-in closet for this bathroom and this bedroom combo. So a lot of walk-in space as well to store additional items in case somebody is there with you for an extended period of time. Great feature to have, again, if you have parents or family visiting often. As we are coming out of the pseudo second primary suite, we're going to show you the other parts of the house, which is basically an additional separate dining room, which can also be converted into a family room if you choose to do so, which is in front of you right now. We're going to come back to it in about a minute, but let's show you the third bathroom and the third main bedroom of the house. Here is the third bathroom, which is actually very close to the entrance of the house. And you also have a little view into the third car garage there. Again, coming into the bathroom, pretty clean, very nice features in the bathroom as well. Single sink, a lot of cabinetry at the bottom under the sink, and it's a full bath, of course, with additional privacy. If you choose to have a door here, that would give you additional privacy. Right next to this bathroom, you have your utility room, laundry room. That is where you have your additional storage also located. Like I mentioned, there is high desire by potential buyers of having additional storage and additional cabinetry in rooms or spaces that are traditionally left open. So in most homes, what you will have is just an open area with a washer and a dryer without much additional storage. But this specific utility room, laundry room has a tons of additional storage in addition to just having a washer and a dryer there present. Right next to the laundry room, what you have is the third bedroom of this model home. And again, this can be converted into a 4-bedroom house as well. But here is the third bedroom. Currently in the model home, it's getting used as an office, which is potentially what you might want to use it as well. But it does have a built-in closet and a window, which by regulation, it constitutes as a full-on bedroom. As we are touring this home, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Sandeep Singh, and I'm a local realtor here in Elk Grove, Sacramento area. I have represented buyers across many different builders, and you can also see other videos of our channel. I'll link perhaps a couple of them towards the end of the video for you to check out also, that are similar to the house that you're seeing here, perhaps even by the same builder. And we have represented clients across many different builders, so we understand what each builder has to offer and the options and whatnot. So if you have any questions, feel free to get in touch with us. Here is the access into the third car garage. This specific space is usually utilized, by my experience, of clients as perhaps a home gym. Some even built in a AC and an HVAC unit into this specific area through the window. So they're able to use this perhaps as an office. Some use it as a play area for their children. So the use is unlimited, and it's really up to you how you want to leverage that space. Let's take you to the one additional feature that I would like to highlight, one additional space, which is what's getting used as a formal dining area. If that's what you desire it to use it as, then so be it. Additional ways I have seen my past clients use this space is additional family room. And if you choose to convert this into a 4-bedroom house, based on the layout, this could actually be the 4th bedroom. Or you can also choose to perhaps convert your third car garage into the 4th bedroom as well. Again, options are unlimited. It's a single-story floor plan. So there are many different ways you can slice and dice the space that comes with this model home. As you step into the backyard, one of the first things you'll notice is the covered patio. This is an amazing feature that is also highly desired by our clients, regardless of the builder. In order to enjoy the sunny weather of California, having a patio there really adds value to the house. It doesn't really just stops at providing you shade to enjoy sunny weather here in California. It actually also provides additional space to entertain family and friends. We're going to wrap up the video here shortly, within in the next minute or so. Again, wanted to introduce myself to you, Sandeep Singh. I'm a local realtor here in Elk Grove, Sacramento area. If you have any questions about this specific model home, or if you're considering buying a brand new home in and around Elk Grove, we can be of immense help. My phone number is in the description of the video. And if you like this video and if you have any feedback about what additional features or spaces in the house that you would like to hear more about, from my experience working with many different builders, many different buyers across many years, please comment in the chat below and I will make sure that we cover those topics in the future. Again, my contact information is in the description of the video. Feel free to get in touch with me if you have any questions about this specific model home or your decision to purchase a home in the beautiful city of Elk Grove.